Assalamu alaikum, or peace be upon you. I'm going to tell a story about cooking by candlelight. Mula made a bet with his friends that he couldn't make it past the night. So he brought a book and a candle to see by to make it through the freezing night. In the next morning, when he went back to claim his winnings, his friends asked him, "Did you bring anything to keep you warm?" He said, "Just a candle." They said, "Then you lose." So Mula decided he was going to invite them all for dinner. He invited them all, and they were waiting and waiting, and still no food. So he came in and he said, "The food's still not ready. Come and see why." And they came into the kitchen and they seen, and there was just a candle with a big pot of water. He said, "I've been making this, trying to heat it since yesterday." So the moral of the story is that it did not work, obviously.